Dear student, class 6 science chapter 5 separation of substances. Separation अलग करना substances पदार्थों को. Now we will learn about and we will understand about this topic, since in this chapter the main features are mixture. What is mixture? Separation of substances, why we are separating them. Third, need of separation. Fourth, what are the different methods used for separating, like hand picking, in Hindi known as binna. Rice, before making rice there is one process that is known as hand picking, means removing unwanted material or substances. Second is a winnowing, sieving and threshing for grains in farm activity. As farm activity, threshing is a farm activity. We are getting grains from the plant or crop plant. Sedimentation, decantation, filtration, these are the few another methods we will see. Apart from this, evaporation, condensation and solubility we will also observe in this. Okay, so let's begin beta. We use a number of material daily, such as milk, water, sugar, salt, pulses, grains, fruits and vegetables. In our daily life we are using, we know these substances or elements. Some of the substances we use are pure substances. Pure means 100% pure, without any impurity. That is, they are made up of one kind of molecules without adding anything extra. Very few pure substances are found in nature. Most of the things we use in our daily lives are mixture. Mixture means combination of two different or more than two different substances. A mixture, very important. What is a mixture? So the definition: a mixture is a combination of two or more molecules. A combination is a mixture of two or more molecules of two or more substances that mix together without any chemical reaction taking place. Mixture, without any chemical reaction, we are mixing two or more molecules of two or more substances. जब हम किसी पदार्थ के दो या दो से ज़्यादा मॉलिक्यूल्स को, तत्वों को मिक्स करते हैं आपस में, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? मिश्रण मिलता है. दैट इज नोन एज मिक्सचर. नाउ एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मिक्सचर्स आर, फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग एग्जाम्पल वी विल सी. कोल्ड कॉफ़ी इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ मिल्क, sugar and coffee. All three substances or things we are using while preparing cold coffee, like we are using milk, sugar and coffee powder to prepare cold coffee. Air is a mixture of several gases. In air, in our atmosphere, air, it contains various forms like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. So oxygen is a mixture of several gases. Milk is a mixture of fat, proteins, water, vitamins and mineral. In a milk is a complete food, as we know beta. Milk contain fats, proteins, water, vitamins and minerals. These are very important for body tissue development. That is why we have to drink a glass of milk every day. Now last is the lemonade, nimbu sharbat. Lemonade is a mixture of water, sugar, lemon juice and salt. Now we will see the topic, separation of substances. Separation means removal. Separation means removing one thing from the other. एक चीज से दूसरे को अलग करना सेपरेशन, अलगाव कहलाता है. That is known as separation. Sometimes we need to separate the component of a mixture. We strain tea to remove tea leaves with a strainer. Morning we have seen in our kitchen mummy taking tea and removing extra tea leaves with the help of strainers. चाय की जो छन्नी होती है उससे जो चाय पत्ती है मम्मी उसको अलग करती है बेटा चाय देने के समय. दैट इज वी चर्न मिल्क टू सेपरेट बटर. चर्न मथना with the help of machine or hand, with the help of wooden device. We remove cream from milk to make it healthier for adults. You must have often removed green chilies or curry patta when served with पोहा और उपमा. जब आप पोहा और उपमा खाए आपको सर्व किया गया होगा, at that time you have removed green chilies that you told your mama that mama I don't want green chili, I don't like curry patta. So you have separated that from the poha or upma. We separate out vegetables or fruits from a basket by simply picking out one kind and placing them in a separate container. Means in our home we are separating vegetable from the fruits. We are separating fruits and vegetable and putting them in a particular container. हम सब्जी और फलों को अलग अलग करके रखते हैं अपने घरों में. Separating out big items is easy. आसान होता है बड़े आइटम को सेपरेट करना. But what if we have to separate salt from water or mud from water? But it is very difficult to separate salt from water. Can you remove it by picking? Impossible. We cannot remove salt from water because it get already dissolved in water and now it's become a solution, salty solution. So separation of salt will be with the help of different method. We will see now the need of separation. Why there is a need of separation? We need to separate substances from mixture for several reasons. And the reason are as follows. First, to remove undesirable constituent, जो चीज़ें हमें नहीं चाहिए उनको अलग करने के लिए, और नॉन यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स जिनका उपयोग नहीं है, जो यूजलेस हैं. एग्जाम्पल, रिमूविंग टी लीव्स फ्रॉम टी, रिमूविंग करी पत्ता फ्रॉम डिशेस. सेकेंड, टू रिमूव हार्मफुल कंपोनेंट्स और इम्प्योरिटी, जो पॉइजनस हैं, हार्मफुल हैं, इम्प्योरिटी हैं, उनको हम रिमूव करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, रिमूविंग स्मॉल स्टोन्स फ्रॉम पल्सेस वाया हैंड पिकिंग. हैंड पिकिंग से बिनना, चुनना, लाइक दैट, फ्रॉम पल्सेस. थर्ड, टू ऑब्टेन यूजफुल कॉम्पोनेंट. एग्जाम्पल, churning of milk to get butter, separating petrol and kerosene from crude oil. क्रूड ऑयल इन हिंदी कच्चा तेल जो ज़मीन से मिलता है उसको फैक्ट्री में रिफाइन किया जाता है. सेपरेट करके वी आर सेपरेटिंग प्योर पेट्रोल एंड केरोसिन एंड एक्स्ट्रा इम्प्योरिटी दैट इज वॉश्ड आउट. impurities were washed out. Fourth, to get pure substances, we need pure substances. That is why we are doing separation. We need separation. We need pure substances for research work to manufacture a large number of articles which are used every day. The substances mixed together vary in size, shape, color or many other properties. These may be in different color, shape or properties. Now what are the methods of separation? बेटा we will see methods. कौन कौन सी नई विधियां हैं जिससे हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं चीज़ों को. The separation of a component from a mixture is carried out on the principle that each component has a unique property which is not shared by any other component. बेटा जो शेयरिंग सेपरेशन हो रहा है, हम कर रहे हैं, उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज अलग अलग होती हैं. One component is another different from other component, so they have different property. सबके गुण, सबके गुणधर्म अलग अलग हैं. Various methods are used for separating the components of a mixture. Various methods are using to separate component from a mixture. We will see here. Let us study some commonly used methods for separating substances that are mixed together. First method is beta hand picking, हाथ से चुनना, उसको निकालना हाथ से. You can see in the figure beta. This method is commonly used at our home for separating undesirable or unnecessary substances from the useful ones. This is possible because of the size, shape, color of undesirable substances in different. The quantity of impurities is not very large. Impurities are very short, they are small in size. Example, removing impurities like pieces of dirt, small stone, husk means chilke, husk from wheat, rice and pulses by hand picking. This is the simplest method of separation. We know, we have seen beta this hand picking method at our home also. Now second method, that is sieving, chalna. You must have often seen your mother sieving atta at kitchen before making chapatis or rotis. She does this to remove bran and other impurities from present in the आटा. आटे में से जो चोकर कहते हैं, ब्रान जो है होता है, और दूसरी इम्प्योरिटीज़ को अलग करने के लिए सीविंग की प्रोसेस मम्मी घर में अपनाती है किचन में वाइल मेकिंग चपातीज. वी यूज दिस मेथड टू सेपरेट constituent of a mixture having particles of different sizes using a sieve. चलनी से हम इस प्रोसेस को पूरा करते हैं. A sieve is like a net or a mesh. एक जालीनुमा डिवाइस होता है. They are having the holes in that, pores in that, which has holes of the same size. The fine particle of atta pass through the sieve while the bran or choker, in Hindi known as choker, remains on the sieve. You must have seen sieving being used in construction sites to remove pebbles from sand. जो बालू और रेत घर में कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए आती है, उसमें से भी हम सीविंग करके हमने देखा है कि सीविंग से पेबल्स को, जो छोटे छोटे पत्थर हैं, उनको सैंड से निकाला जाता है. सो दिस वाज द सीविंग. सीविंग इज यूजफुल व्हेन मिक्सचर कंसिस्ट ऑफ components having different sizes. Now we'll see threshing. Threshing, after harvesting of wheat or rice grains, the grains have to be separated. फसल की कटाई, धान और गेहूं की कटाई के बाद जो फार्मर्स होते हैं उसको थ्रेशिंग से दानों को, व्हीट ग्रेन्स और राइस ग्रेन्स को अलग करते हैं. दे आर सेपरेटिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ थ्रेशिंग ओनली. यू मस्ट हैव सीन व्हीट और पैडी. पैडी मीन्स राइस स्टॉक लाइंग इन द फील्ड्स इन बंडल. आपने देखा होगा बहुत बड़े बड़े बंडलों में इनको बांधा जाता है, प्लांट, व्हीट प्लांट को एंड पैडी राइस एटसेट्रा को. द ग्रेन्स आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द स्टॉक्स बाय अ प्रोसेस कॉल्ड थ्रेशिंग and the process is known as threshing. This is done by beating, very important, threshing is done by beating the stalks. Stalks means जो डंडी होती है, जो लंबी सी स्टेम लाइक एक स्टॉक होता है, तने के समान, स्टेम के समान, लाइक दैट. दिस इज नोन एज स्टॉक ऑन अ हार्ड सरफेस, on a hard surface to free the grain seeds. So this is known as threshing. Threshing is done by beating the stalks on a hard surface to free the grain seeds. Traditionally, threshing was carried out by making oxen or donkeys or bullocks walk in circle on the stalks on a hard surface. These days machines are used to thresh large quantity. पहले बैल, गधों और बुलक्स, बैल का इस्तेमाल किया जाता था to remove the grains from the stalks. as no process known as threshing, but now we are using large machines. And after this there is a process known as winnowing. Beta winnowing we will consider in our next video. Till then, thank you dear students.